Welcome back everyone to another episode of me opening AliExpress dollar deals. Let's get straight into it and see what we got. As you can see, today's bag is pretty good size, large, because I know what's I order, I know what's in it. It's something that's sizable, but let's open it. All right, let's take out this package here. It's basically almost the whole bag right there. What it is, I believe I know what it is. It is a well, let me just open it. I'll show you. I don't want to use a scissor or a blade because I don't want to cut it either. It is sort of fabric. In the description it says memory foam, so yeah, it should open it up by itself or form by itself. All right guys, there it is. This is a headrest for the car seat, headrest pillow, or you could call that way. So it just straps onto the back of your car seat. And yeah, right now, like I said, it's a memory foam. It should conform to its shape pretty soon, but yeah, it's basically a memory foam car seat. And then this right here is a backrest that goes onto your car seat. I actually got this for my mom, but I'm also gonna try it out myself, see how it is. But as you can see, it conforms to your back, and then your back is actually resting on here with the pillow on top. So we'll see how it works. But this one right here for this set is $9.89. $9.89 for a backrest and a pillow set for your car seat. We'll see how it works. All right, next up is right here, my previous order. I got one of these. It's basically a little mini, basically not a mini, but a an adapter for a female type C to go into, and a type C plug right there. Basically is an adapter to connect, because those with like myself, I have a large case, rugged case that goes onto my phone, and a lot of times some of the type C adapters does not work or isn't long enough to reach into, you know, past the case. So this one goes in there, plug it in right there, and it's an extender. So basically that's it. Pretty good. I got one and I decided to get another one, you know, just to have. $1.59, $1.59, not too bad right there. All right, next up, this one right here. Oh yeah, this one right here, it looks like one of those toys that you get for your dog or cat, but here's the catch on them. Right there, basically, imagine swinging this around, but this one right here, I could tell you what it is. It should be, there it is guys. Basically it's a steel ball, a large steel ball in there. I believe the steel ball is about 1.5 inch size, wrapped in paracord. So, you know, it's good to go hiking and camping and have something that, you know, can, you know, use as a little self-defense. But yeah, steel ball right here. Now this one right here, $1.59 for it. $1.59, not too bad. All right, next up, right here, basically double-sided tape. I, you know, was running low on double-sided tape that I got previously, so I decided to get another roll This one right here, as the time that I got it for, it went for $1.79, $1.79 for a 20 millimeter wide by, I believe it's 3 meters long. Not too bad. Next up, this one right here is a, basically it's supposed to be a short Type C plug. What it is, what it is I got the, those those power banks. So I could just slap the power bank onto the back of my phone and hold it together with a short Type C connectors. Pretty cool. This one right here was $1.99. It actually looks longer than what I saw in the picture, but oh well, it'll work. It'll do right there. I would say it's about a good 8 inches. Not too bad. $1.99. Okay. Next up, this one I got previously. It's basically a hat washer. Just look at my previous videos, you'll see on these. This one right here, at the time of the deal, compared to the last time, it was going for $2.39. $2.39. All right. Next up, this one right here should be I believe it is a wireless charger base. Yeah, right there. It's a wireless charger base. There you go. Pretty simple design. It's a Type C charger base. I had charger bases before, but they were using micro USB, and of course the power wasn't that powerful. This one right here, I believe it's advertised at 30 watts max. So with the Type C fast charger, we'll test it out pretty soon. Right after this, I'll test it out. But yeah, basically a Type C wireless charger base. This one, $2.39. $2.39 for it. All right, next up, this one right here, basically it was an adapter just like this, but longer. And it has a digital reader that shows how much wattage is going into it from the power cable supply. So yeah, right there. I got these before, but different design shape. This one is a slimmer version to be able to fit in my rugged case for my phone. The other one, it was just, the head, the base of it right here, it was too wide and it didn't even go through. So I'll use that for something else. But as far as in the phone, I'll be able to use this for the cables. But going for $1.79, $1.79, not too bad right there. Okay, next up is this one right here. Is basically lanyard set for the phone, their phone lanyards. I got a set of, I believe, 10 of them for $1.59. $1.59 for 10 of these lanyard strap sets. So, I do use them not just for the phone, but other small items, so flashlights, knives and whatnot. But yeah, $1.59 for 10 of these strap lanyards. Pretty cool. They're strong. All right, next up is, I believe that is, maybe one more. Yeah, there you go. One more. This one right here is I believe it is a stand adapter. Pretty small, simple, but has double-sided tape, and you stick it to the back of your phone. You know how some phone cases do not have stand. Stand is very useful to put your phone in a viewing mode, landscape mode, and whatnot. But yeah, this one right here, you just tape it onto the back of that case and it becomes a stand. Usually, let me bring out a phone, say for example, just like this, but this one does have a little stand right here, but I don't like the way the stand works. It's flimsy. With this one, I could probably just put it here just like this and it becomes a stand. So let's see, I believe it's magnetic, so there it goes, just like that. So just picture it like this. See, pretty cool. This one right here, $1.39 for one stand holder and one stand adapter, just like that. There you go, pretty cool. All right, that should be the last item right there. So let's take a look and see how we can put this. Maybe just like this, I guess. There. Straps. Let me put the strap here. All right, let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, guys, there it is. 10 items, dollar deals. Thanks for joining me. Till next time, peace, please. Why did I say please? Never mind.